Before you view our video, please take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tapping the bell icon so that you will be the first to know when we post new videos.
Meet the most powerful recipe for weight loss. Just 1 glass of this drink and you can lose up to 5 kgs tani som overnight. It's tough to believe, however believe me, this beverage can really do magic for weight reduction. In just few days you will reduce weight considerably. Fennel seeds look rather comparable to cumin seeds, however they look little greenish in color while cumin seeds are brown. The two main benefits of fennel seeds are: they improve body metabolism rate, so your body burn calories much quicker. Also they flush out all contaminants from your body. They act as natural detoxifier, so you get healthy and glowing body. Now let me quickly inform you ways to prepare this drink. Active ingredients: 1 liter of fresh, pure water. 2 tablespoons raw fennel seeds. Preparation approach: place the water in a deep pan and bring it to boil. Add the fennel seeds, turn off the heat and cover the pan. Once the water has actually cooled to space temperature, it's ready to drink. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe to my channel. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3. Give a like.